Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. Here's what you need to know about our weather. The drought getting worse out there as those dry conditions persist. Yes, we've seen a little rain, but only hit or miss Friday. Most of us staying fairly dry. Heat, temperatures in the 90s, actually the mid and upper 90s. Got to 97 degrees today. And there could be a pattern change next week. Maybe a little better chance for some rain. But you can see the drought conditions abnormally dry over the eastern part of the state. Moderately dry, which is worse over the western part of the state. And that's all thanks to very little rain. Less than 2/10 of an inch of rain in Birmingham so far this month. Chance of rain stays low at 20% Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. A little better chance Tuesday through Thursday. And at the same time, the humidity will start to creep back up. And it's all thanks to our pattern change we're talking about. This low sitting here across the plain states. It could either go east, which would bring us a little rain, but not much. If it took more of a southerly track here, that could actually bring us a better chance of some scattered storms. Confidence really low at what it's going to do at this point, but something we'll watch as we head into next week, the middle of next week. So this evening, a low chance of rain through 9 o'clock out there. Temperatures falling from the 80s to the 70s to the 60s. Waking up tomorrow morning, lower to middle 60s. A comfortable start to the day and about right what it should be for lows this time of year. High temperatures way above where they should be, about 10 degrees in some cases. 95 here, Tuscaloosa, Carrollton, Moundville, Brent. We should be normally around 86 for a high temperature, so pretty toasty for your Friday. Chance of rain running about 20% again, so we do need to watch out for a little rain out there. You'll see on Futurecast here pretty quiet weather as we go forward throughout tonight and into tomorrow morning. But as we get through the afternoon hours tomorrow, we'll start seeing some storms popping back up. I think a little more coverage than what this shows, especially on the I-65 corridor. So be prepared for that. It could impact some of the high school football games on Friday. So be aware we could see some of that during that Friday time frame. So looking at your 10-day forecast, 95, 94, 91 through Sunday. The low chance of rain, even Monday as fall begins just in the afternoon there. And then according to the pattern change, we could possibly see that increased chance for some rain next week. High temperatures finally getting back to where they should be this time of year into the middle 80s. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.